How to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing using companies such as Amazon Associates or something else. First, we have to go to pinterest.com. Here we are going to log in or sign up. For my case, I will sign up. Here I have already filled up some informations about my email and more, and I will continue with Google. I will confirm and put my birthday. Here I have set my birthday, then I click to create my account. Here there is a welcome box. Here you choose your gender and where do you live and what do you speak. Here obviously you will check 5 interests that you are in. Here as you can see, computers, I will choose food, home, bedrooms, house architectures, and photography. After I finished, now we have this box. You can get your Pinterest on your phone also. Here it is finishing our creation of the account, of course. Here is your feed. That's called a feed. Here, as you can see my profile, it's a personal profile. We have to convert it to business. Here, there's the comparison between the personal and the business profile. We should upgrade to business so everything will go well. Here, it said describe your business, online merchant or marketplace. Here, publisher, media, agency, services provider. Here I would choose content creator. He's asking about my country. I will set United States. A website, if you don't have, you choose I don't have a website. The business name or brand name, I will put mine. For instance, it's Jack Smith clothing or clothings. I click next. Here, what are your business goals? Here I increase sales, of course. I generate more leads and grow brand awareness. What's the focus of my brand? Here is fashion. Of course, obviously we are putting fashion. Then we click done. After that, where would you like to start? Showcase your brand or share ideas. We will select share ideas next. Here it will show you where to put your photo or video. We can upload from your, of course, your PC. Here is an example. Here the title and the description I will put, for example, we are open. Then a description, a short description, of course, reopening. In my case, it's a simple example. You can put more, of course. Yeah, of the store. And here is the place of the affiliate link. Here's the board, and here are the tags. And when you finish, you click on publish. Here we came to Amazon Associates. We click sign up. Here we create an account. Here I have already set up my email, of course. I have to put my password and re-put my password and then create an Amazon account. Here the OTP code is in my email. I will put it shortly. Let's check my email. Yeah. After you finish putting the OTP, here's the page that you will see. The payee name, Jack Smith, of course. Here the address line 1. This is necessary for our work, of course. Then the city, I will choose New York. City, I will put New York, of course. Here, NW New York, yeah, NY I mean. Here you put your number, of course. Here are some personal information that you should fill. After that, after we complete that, here is your website and mobile apps. You can put your website here. As for us, we have Pinterest. Yeah, we add it. Then here, a disclosure. Of course, you say no and confirm. The preference ID store. Here you choose your Jack, for example, for me, Jack Smith clothing or something like this. A little description of your store or brand. Here, some simple things that you should complete. And congratulations for your account. Here's the landing page of Amazon Associates. As you can see, promotions, bounty, codes, creator rewards. Here we are visiting Amazon.com. As you can see, this is our Amazon Associate band. For example, I chose this sweater. For example, I copy the information about it and put it on creating a pin on Pinterest. After the title, of course. Here I have to add my link. You will find the link on the band up on the screen. We click text. Here you get your ID store and tracking ID. Here is a short link and a full link, of course. We will choose the short link. Here we copy it. Then we are going to paste it here. Here, as you can see, I have to put a disclosure for my sponsored link or my affiliate link. I have to say that is a affiliate link, of course. That's the disclosure that you have to put before your link and at the end of your description. Here for my case, I have put paid link, or you can choose hashtag sponsored or hashtag paid link. Here, after we finished our post, we can promote the post, of course, and this to reach more audience, of course, by sponsoring the content on social media or on Pinterest itself by spending some money, of course, and then getting more audience and more clicks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.